Welcome back to Luxury Wheels Review. Today we're stepping into a world where engineering genius meets ultimate luxury. Introducing the Bugatti Luxura GT, the futuristic motorhome that redefines what it means to travel in style. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving masterpiece that turns every mile into an unforgettable experience. The first impression is breathtaking. The exterior of the Bugatti Luxura GT is unlike anything you've ever seen on the road. Its design language echoes Bugatti's legendary hypercars, but on a grander scale. The body is sculpted with flowing aerodynamic curves, finished in a polished chrome silver coat that reflects light like liquid metal. Every line has purpose, merging elegance with performance. At the front, the iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille anchors the design, flanked by sleek, futuristic headlights that cut across the body with precision. The six-wheel configuration not only adds stability and strength, but also enhances the aggressive stance of this motorhome. Step inside, and the experience only gets better. The lounge is the heart of this mobile palace, designed for comfort and high-tech luxury. Premium silver-white leather seats wrap around the interior, each stitched with Bugatti's signature craftsmanship. Embedded in the seating are smart controls for heating, cooling, and even massage functions. A panoramic infotainment display stretches across the wall, allowing passengers to stream movies, control lighting, or even manage the entire motorhome's climate system. Integrated speakers create a 360-degree sound experience, turning the lounge into both a theater and a private concert hall. Ambient LED lighting flows subtly across the curves of the walls and ceiling, shifting in color to match your mood. A smart glass system in the windows adjusts tint instantly, balancing privacy and natural light. Every detail, down to the chrome-trimmed tables and hidden storage compartments, has been designed with elegance and practicality in mind. For entertainment, the Luxura GT takes things to a new level with its private cinema hall. Imagine sitting in futuristic recliner seats finished with Bugatti's leather craftsmanship, each one equipped with personal control panels for sound, recline position, and cup holders that adjust temperature to keep your drink warm or cold. A high-definition projection system delivers crystal-clear visuals on a retractable screen, while Dolby Atmos speakers surround you with rich sound. The cinema room also comes with a smart scheduling system. Load up your favorite shows, and it automatically sets the room's lighting and audio profile for the perfect movie experience. Whether it's a blockbuster night or a quiet documentary, the cinema transforms the motorhome into your private theater. The Luxura GT doesn't stop there. It even features a compact swimming pool. Designed with futuristic precision, the pool is elegantly integrated with chrome-trimmed edges and LED-lit surfaces that shimmer like starlight. Temperature control systems allow you to switch from a refreshing cool dip to a warm spa-like soak at will. Despite its compact design, the pool feels indulgent, a statement of just how far Bugatti has gone to redefine luxury travel. Moving into the bedroom, the Bugatti Luxura GT showcases a perfect balance of intimacy and futuristic technology. The centerpiece is a low-profile luxury bed, finished in soft silver leather with memory foam that adapts to your body. Integrated into the headboard is a touch-controlled panel that operates everything from ambient lighting to automated blinds and entertainment options. A retractable 4K display descends at the touch of a button, ideal for late-night movies or catching up on news before bed. Smart climate control keeps the temperature perfect at all times, adjusting automatically to your preferences. Hidden beneath the sleek surfaces are wireless charging stations, allowing you to power your devices effortlessly. The bedroom feels compact yet premium, giving you the serenity of a 5-star suite, even while on the road. Next, we move to the kitchen, where advanced technology meets elegant, compact design. The kitchen is lined with glossy, silver-white surfaces, housing built-in appliances that respond to touch and voice commands. The induction cooktop doubles as a smart screen, showing recipes, timers, or even streaming video while you cook. A hidden refrigerator and freezer unit blend seamlessly into the cabinetry, while an automated coffee and beverage station ensures luxury is just a button away. The lighting is fully adaptive, adjusting brightness and tone to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Even the storage solutions are smart. Pull-out shelves and drawers open with a wave of your hand, keeping the design minimal and futuristic. Luxury reaches its peak in the bathroom. The jacuzzi is compact yet indulgent, framed by polished chrome edges and surrounded by soft LED mood lighting. Water jets adjust automatically to your preferred pressure. while a digital touch panel allows you to set temperature, lighting, and even music while you soak. The smart mirror integrates with a built-in health monitoring system, displaying information such as temperature, hydration levels, and even skin condition analysis. A rainfall shower sits beside the jacuzzi, offering another way to refresh with a luxurious touch. Every surface glistens with high-end materials, transforming the bathroom into a futuristic spa on wheels. And then there's the cockpit, the command center of the Luxura GT. Sliding into the driver's seat feels like entering a Bugatti hypercar, but with even more technology at your fingertips. The seats are sculpted from premium leather, designed for long-distance comfort but infused with sporty DNA. The dashboard is a blend of digital panels and chrome-trimmed controls, each one intuitive and responsive. A full digital display projects navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and even real-time performance analytics. Advanced AI driving assistance systems provide lane guidance, adaptive cruise control, and semi-autonomous driving features. A central gear shifter finished in polished silver sits elegantly between the seats, a nod to Bugatti's performance heritage. Driving this motorhome isn't just transportation, it's an experience that makes every journey extraordinary. Of course, performance is where Bugatti shines, and the Luxura GT lives up to the badge. Powered by a next-generation hybrid engine derived from Bugatti's hypercar technology, it delivers seamless acceleration and remarkable efficiency for its size. Despite being a motorhome, it feels surprisingly agile on the road, gliding smoothly with adaptive suspension that adjusts to terrain in real time. The braking system is enhanced with carbon ceramic discs, ensuring precise control at all times. Noise insulation keeps the cabin whisper quiet, even at high speeds, adding to the luxury feel. This is performance engineering and luxury seamlessly blended into one. When it comes to price, exclusivity is the key word. The Bugatti Luxura GT isn't just a motorhome, it's a symbol of ultimate status. With production expected to be extremely limited, owning one places you among the elite few who can claim to live Bugatti luxury on the move. While official pricing hasn't been confirmed, industry whispers suggest a figure well into the multi-million-dollar range, making this not just a vehicle but an investment in engineering art. The Bugatti Luxura GT is more than just a motorhome, it's a revolution in luxury travel. From its futuristic exterior to its compact yet high-tech interiors, it transforms the idea of mobility into something extraordinary. Whether you're lounging, sleeping, watching a film, swimming, or even driving, every detail speaks of Bugatti's commitment to perfection. This is the future of luxury on wheels. Thank you for joining us on this detailed review of the Bugatti Luxura GT. If you enjoyed exploring this one-of-a-kind motorhome, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment to share your thoughts, and subscribe to Luxury Wheels Review for more exclusive looks at the world's most incredible vehicles. Until next time, keep dreaming big and traveling in style.